Hello and welcome to another Tech Articles. In today's article, I want to go over a change that happened in Flowmattic 5.0 that doesn't actually make it onto the list of additions in 5.0, or I can't find it there, but it to me is a really good improvement. So I'm going to head over to my dashboard, and I've got a new workflow action here. And what we're going to discuss is one of the new triggers, and that is plugin actions, which is very similar to custom actions, except it uses already built-in action hooks to work with. And for this example, we're going to use Shawforms. So I'm going to head over to Shawforms, and we're going to create a small form, which we'll call Flowmattic. Scratch. And we'll just add a couple of fields to this, and then from there we'll so we've got two fields, Flowmattic name and email, and I'm not doing anything over here. I'm just going to save and publish this form. So that form is now viewable on the front screen, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head over to Shawforms website, and there's a list of action hooks here that we can hook into, and I'm going to actually hook into form submit. So what I'm going to do, actually no, this changed that. This after submission process. So this pick this one here. So we're going to pick this action hook here, Shawform after submission process. We're going to head back to Flowmattic. We're going to copy and paste that into this hook name, and we're going to push continue. We're going to push capture response, and then we're going to go to our form, and we're going to fill in some details here. Push submit, and I'm going to head over to our workflow builder, and you'll see we've got a response. And what's happened there is it's picked up that we're using the Flowmattic form, that the to email was there, and the message, and here is the data that came out of that form. And this works very similar to a webhook trigger or a do action trigger, but now you don't have to write a custom function. So before, to do this, you'd have to do the following. So let's go back. Let's save this workflow. Let's go back. Let's create a new workflow example, and we'll call this the old way. So what you'd have to do before was you'd have to do a do action, a custom action here, custom configure. I'm going to copy this work ID, going to push continue, and leave that as it is. And I believe I have one in WP Codebox for Shawforms, funny enough. Yeah, I do. Different trigger, but it doesn't matter. Just change the workflow ID here and save this. And now when that form is submitted, that we should get a trigger over here. So if I now grab this form, I can capture a response, and we should still get some data into Flowmattic, which we do, and it's slightly different data because we're doing it, capture it in a slightly different way, but it works the same way. So you no longer need this code snippet to take the action and then trigger a new action with Flowmattic. You can do that all in one. This is why I find this new action option very exciting, because it means you now can install a plugin, latch on to an existing action, and automate using that action. And actually it means that what we should be doing as plugin users is encouraging developers to add more and more actions for us to hook into. So hopefully this video is of use to you, and it gives you some ideas of what you can do with Flowmattic. If you like the video, please do like the video so we know. And if you want to see other videos on Flowmattic, automation, WordPress, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.